Hi there, I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, here to give you a quick tutorial on that little isolation move. So it's a linear isolation move, but it's a neat one because you don't have to be highly technical at this because there's not a grip release in this. So what we're doing is we're doing an inner, we're tracing on the inside, and then we're going to be tracing on the outside. So I'm going to give you the first part of the move, which is the inside, the basic part. So we're going to start with the right hand, thumb up, outside grip. And we're going to start out extended with the arm nice and long from the body. And then we're going to shift, and we're going to be at this quadrant point. So think of your hoop in quadrants. This is going to be 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And we're going to hit all these points. So we're starting at the 9 o'clock position, and we're driving down the smile of the hoop, coming to 6 o'clock position, and then going out to the 9 o'clock position. So now we're going to reverse the pattern of this, bringing it down and out. So bringing it in, down, and out, in, down, and out. So I'm trying to keep this line and the bottom line parallel to the ground and just moving across in a straight pattern. This is the linear isolation part. But instead of doing a full linear isolation with that hand release, I'm just doing it with the hand grip. So I'm kind of cheating this out. So I'm just bringing it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Now, what I'm going to do to this is I'm going to add the backwards portion of it, so there's a little bit of a turn, and it's going to make it really unique and interesting. And we're going to go to an outside grip and trace the outside of the hoop. So this one, we're tracing right hand, thumb up. We're tracing the bottom of the hoop, the bottom of the smile portion of the hoop, this part here, from here to here, out and in. And then we're going to take the left foot and bring it to the back and do a half turn. So we now have, we're outside grip, thumb down, and we're going to bring it across the body and bring thumb out. So now reverse that position here. We're going over the top of the hoop, up to the 12 o'clock position, and then back out to that 9 o'clock position. So up and out, up and out. Again, trying to keep the hoop parallel to the ground in that linear pattern. So back and forth. And now if you want to bring this back to the front again, I'm going to pick up that left leg, so I just do a circle in place and bring it back to the side and go back to the original linear isolation. So we bring it out, shift the back, shift to the front, shift to the front, shift to the back, shift to the back, shift to the front. All right, I hope you enjoy that. This has been Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, and if you enjoyed that, there are more tutorials on this channel, so please check those out. The tutorials, I also do laughter yoga exercises as well, and I do a great show on Mondays called the Hoop Love Y'all Show. You can watch it whenever you want because it's on demand. So catch any of those episodes where I talk about health, humor, and hooping. All right, thanks so much for joining with this fun, easy linear isolation that has some fun patterns in it, and you don't have to do it as a release move, so it's a little easier to try. Also, make sure you try this on both hands, both sides, both directions, okay? So because it helps get new neural pathways for the brain, so it's very important to get both sides, and that way you have better access points into the moves as you're hoop dancing as well. So try these out, new moves. So rock on, peace out. Thank you for joining me. Bye.